Welcome back. Well, breaking up, it's never easy, but getting a divorce in these tough economic times can be extra challenging. Our legal expert, Lori Clark Viviano, is here once again, and as if splitting up wasn't tough enough, now people are facing these additional challenges with the economy.
Absolutely. I think what's important, and this is why I thought this was a good segment during these times, is you have to go see someone immediately. We were just talking about this before we came on about you and relationships, and I say if it doesn't work, get out. You know, if you've been through counseling, you've done all this, dragging it on is not going to help it. And you should look at your finances first, which is, you know, do you need to short sell your house? Do you need to go see a bankruptcy attorney? How much is it going to cost you? All the factors, and you need to make a good business decision as soon as possible.
And you don't want to wait for the economy to improve, because who knows when that's going to be.
Well, and the other problem is, you know, people have to kind of watch what's going on. Obama just gave us a break, and we now have 3 months where he cannot do foreclosures. So you can do a short sale. So you need to be cooperative with your mate. You know, I see a lot of times people saying, you know, I don't want a divorce or I want to wait. But what do we know what the government's going to do 6 months from now? You don't know. And if you know this is not the person you want to be with, then start making some good economic decisions.
So because of the economy, it's even more important just to have a cooperative divorce so you both can kind of separate cleanly.
Absolutely. And the other thing, too, sometimes what I encourage people is stay living together for a while. Put your house on the market. You know, help, you know, your mate make it look well. If you're the guy and you're handy, you know, mow the lawn, you know, because the higher the price you get, the less of the short sale. You really don't want your house to go into foreclosure. It's not good for your economy. It's not good for any of your benefits. And then you need to also look at, oh, there we go, great slide. I did it. But you do need to look at everything, and I think the sooner you get in and get a good plan in place, I think the better off you will be.
Yeah, and you know, we see on the screen, if your assets are upside down, which a lot of people, you know, their main asset is their house. Right. If it's upside down, what do you do? What do you tell people? What's the first step that they should be taking right now?
Sell it.
Sell it.
Sell it.
Negotiate with the bank first so you could do a short sale, though, right?
Absolutely.
Before you sell it?
But, you know, the thing is, you know, maybe it's upside down, but I'll just use you as an example, you love this house, you've worked on this house, and yeah, it's upside down, but you can afford it and you want to stay in it. Great. Give it to your mate. Move out, move on. I mean, I think the key is get in, see me in a consultation, see another lawyer in a consultation, get a plan in place, and execute. I'm one of those girls. Start moving. Don't keep those girls that don't work.
Right, right. That's a lot of guys out there, right? Now, what about debt? What do you do as far as managing that debt that you both have created?
Same set of facts. Get in, see, you know, let me or another attorney tell you, maybe you have so much debt you need to see a bankruptcy attorney. Again, I know people don't like to discuss this. This is kind of icky conversation.
Tough stuff.
It is. The sooner you do it, the better off you are. It's only going to get worse. It's not going to get better. And if you keep waiting for this uptick, I mean, I think people need to be smart. We have this 90-day reprieve, but once the economy starts swinging up, he's not going to say you can't foreclose anymore, so you're going to lose that option. Interest rates are going up. There's 1,000 things that are happening. And, you know, come in to me. I've got tons of people that will assist you in getting a mortgage. Just because you short sell your house doesn't mean you can't get another one. So there's tons of things that you can do, but the sooner the better.
So potentially see the bankruptcy attorney, then go to the divorce attorney.
Oh, let me see me first.
Right. Now, as far as, you know, we were talking, be realistic too.
Absolutely.
When you are looking to get a divorce, understand it's going to cost you more to live alone.
Absolutely. I think that's the most naive thing is you have people, and again, I'll just keep using you. You know, you're married, you have an income, your wife has an income, and you're living a higher life, and you just can't do it anymore.
Right. And then you say that a lot of people can still stay in their homes.
Yes.
It is possible. You don't necessarily have to sell. Of course, everyone's situation is different.
Absolutely.
How do they do that? What do they need to do?
Come see me.
Come see you.
Yeah.
All right. And we contact you at tell us a number, Lori.
296-1594.
Or
go to my website, or you could actually go to San Diego Living, and I have my YouTubes and everything up there, too.
Perfect. And a lot of great tips on other subjects as well.
Absolutely.
All right. Lori, always a pleasure. Thanks for coming in.
Thank you.
And then for more information, just go to our website, san diego6.com.